Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today we will see how we can take out the inverse of matrix. So here we are given with matrix where A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1 and 1, 3, 2. So now see here we have A11 is equals to A11 is equals to 1, A12 that is this number is equals to 2, A13 is equals to 3. This is our position. Fine. Similarly, A21 is equals to 3, A22 is equals to 2 and A23 is equals to 1. And lastly, A31 is equals to 1, A32 is equals to 3 and A33 is equals to 2. Fine. So this is what we have with us. Now, firstly, we will take out the cofactors. So for cofactors, we will take out A11, that is cofactor. See, for cofactor of A11, these terms, we will avoid those numbers which are in its row and which are in its column. So if you remove this and this, if you remove this and this, you are left with 2, 1, 3, 2. Fine. So A11 is equals to 2, 1, 3, 2. Fine. So here what we will do, to take out cofactors, we will multiply this 2 into 2 and subtract it with 3 into 1. Fine. So in similar way, we will take out the cofactors of all numbers. That is 4 minus 3. So it will give us 1. Similarly for A12, that is this number, we will not take those numbers which are in its row and column. So we will take 3, 1, 1, 2. That is 3, 1. Sorry. We are taking right. We are taking this. So we will neither take this number. We will not take this. So 3, 1, 1, 2. 3, 1, 1, 2. 3 into 2 minus 1 into 1. So that will give us 3 to the 6 minus 1 will give us 5. A13, that is this number. So we are left with 3, 2, 1 and 3. So 3 3s are 3 into 3 minus 2 into 1. So 3 3s are 9 minus 2, that will give us 7. A21, fine, that is this number. Now we will avoid this and this number. So we are left with 2, 3, 2, 3, see this and this. So 2, 3, 3, 2. So 2 into 2 minus 3 into 3. So 2 to the 4 minus 9 will give us minus 5. So similarly, A22 will give us, A22 is this position. So neither you will take this nor this. So 1, 3, 1, 2. 1, 3, 1, 2. So 2 into 1 minus 3 into 1. So 2 minus 3 will give us minus 1. Fine. Similarly, A23 will give us, this is A23. Fine. So this and this. This and this. Fine. So we are left with 1, 2, 1, 3. 1, 2 and 1, 3. So 1 into 3 minus 2 into 1. 3 minus 2, that is 1. Fine. So now we are in third. So that is A31 is equals to this. So this and this if you will avoid, you are left with 2, 3, 2 and 1. Fine. I hope you don't have any confusion. So if you like this video, then do subscribe to my channel. And yes, don't forget to share this video. Fine. Now similarly for A32, that is 1, 3, 3, 1. Fine. 1, 3, 3, 1. That is 1 into 1 minus 3 into 3. So that will give us 1 minus 9. That is minus 8. And lastly for A33, that is 1, 2. That is this number. So 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 2. So here our main concept is to avoid those numbers which are in its row and column. Fine. So those numbers which are in its, which fall into its row and column, we have to avoid those numbers. Fine. So this is our cofactors. Fine. Now we will firstly write this in A. So our new A is 1 minus 1 5 7 minus 5 minus 1 1. Fine. Minus 4 minus 8 and minus 4. Fine. So this is our cofactors of A. Fine. Now one thing needs to be remembered, that while counting the cofactors, some numbers get changed. Fine. So while counting the cofactors, sign gets changed, that is plus minus plus, minus plus minus, plus minus plus. So these are the terms which get, the sign of those numbers get changed. So here this is plus, so this will remain plus, but here this will change into minus, this is plus, this will change into minus. So this is already in minus, minus into minus, this will be positive. Now this is plus, plus into minus is minus. Now minus into plus is minus, plus into minus is minus, minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is minus. I hope you understood that after counting the adjoint, after counting the cofactors, now what we need to do is, we need to change the sign as per this rule. Plus minus plus, minus plus minus, plus minus plus. So you need to multiply this. So those numbers which after multiplying, if gets changed with sign, then you need to change it. Fine. So this is our cofactors of A, but we need to take out the adjoint of A. Fine. Let me tell you that how we take out A inverse. A inverse is adjoint of A by determinants of A. Fine. By determinant of A. Fine. So first we need to taking out the adjoint of A. For adjoint of A, we took out the cofactors. Now we will take out the transpose, and then we will get our, this is A, but adjoint of A will be the transpose of this matrix. Now how we take out the transpose? See, this row get cancelled, this row will convert into column, row will get converted into column. So this is row, this is your first row, 1 minus 5 7. So you will write it in this way, 1 minus 5 7. So 5 minus 1 minus 1, minus 4 8 minus 4. Fine. So this is our adjoint of A. I hope you understood till now that we took out the adjoints, that is adjoint of A. How we take out? First we took out the cofactors, then after taking out the cofactors, we changed the sign as per requirement, and then we transpose it. So after transpose, we got our adjoint of A. Now what we will do? After taking out the adjoint, what we will do? We will take out the determinant. Fine. So how we take out the determinant? So determinant is equals to, determinant of A is equals to A11 minus A12 plus of A13. Now I will explain you that what I wrote here. See, determinant is also written as mod of A. Fine. Mod of A. It can be written in this way also. So determinant can be taken out using, see here we are taking out the determinant. Fine. So this is a determinant. So what we got in this value multiplied by what we have is our determinant. And for determinant, we will only take out the determinant of this 3 or this first row. So A11 is A11 which we had earlier. So that is 1 into A11 capital A is this cofactors of 1 1. Cofactor of 1 1 we got 1. Similarly A12 we have 2 into cofactor of A12 is 5. So we will write 5. Plus A13 is 3 into A13 is 7. Fine. So we will get 1 into 1 is 1 minus 2 into 5 is 10 plus 7 3s are 21. Fine. So now first we will add 21 plus 1 is 22 minus 10. So this we will get answer as 12. So this is our determinant. Now we know A inverse is equals to adjoint of A by determinant of A, or it is also written as 1 by determinant of A and adjoint of A. So these two are totally same. Now determinant is 1 by 12, so we write generally in this way. Fine. And adjoint of A is 1 5 minus 4 minus 5 minus 1 8 7 minus 1 and minus 4. So this is our answer. Now you can do one more thing. Now you will divide every term by 12. So 1 by 12, 5 by 12, minus 4 by 12, minus 5 by 12, minus 1 by 12, 8 by 12, 7 by 12, minus 1 by 12, minus 4 by 12. So this is how you write your A inverse. So here what you can do, here those numbers which get cancelled out, you can cancel this out, but 1 by 2 you need to write it same as it is. 5 by 12 won't cut. Here 3, 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are. So you can write minus 1 by 3. Fine. Here you will write minus 5 by 12. Here you will write minus 1 by 12. Here you will write 3, 4 3s are 4 2s are 4 3s are 12. So 2 by 3. Here you need to write 7 by 12. Here you need to write 1 by 12. And here 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So minus 1 by 3. So this is your final A inverse. So this is your final A inverse. Therefore A inverse is this. So I hope you understood that how we can take out the inverse of any matrix. If you like this video, then yes, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the like button and share this with your friends and family. Bye bye.